What does a deer, gold ribbon, a branch, and a candle have in common? Stay tuned and you will find out.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la.
Hello loves and welcome to Breeze Project Book and the fourth video in the Christmas Holiday Mix collaboration. Today's host is Kimberly from A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. The name of this collaboration is a Christmas decor mix. Each of us chose a decor holiday item that we must use in our space, which is a total of 4 decor items we must share with you in one space. The challenge is that we must share with you a creative ideas how to use these basic decor items instead of the normal way. So here are the basic holiday decor items. Juani from Juani's house chose gold ribbon. Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner chose deer. Kim from A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis chose candles. And Bree from Bree's Project Book chose branches. Remember, each of the hosts must use all 4 decor items in their space. So I am so excited to see what the girls come up with, and I know you're excited to see what ideas and creative ways we are going to decorate with these basic decor items. So without further ado, let's get started. The gold ribbon is Juani's from Juani House Decor Selection. I will share how I used the gold ribbon in my holiday decor this year in the foyer. Gold is not a chosen color in any home decor, let alone seasonal. So this choice is going to be the most challenging of the 4 decor selections. I have no gold anything in my house, so I need to go and purchase a roll of gold ribbon for this challenge. And this ribbon was purchased at Target for about $3 and some change. So to make this challenge work, I had to come up with a way to incorporate the gold into my already chosen color theme. Actually, this was going to be a lot of fun coming up with a way to use gold without it being a separate add-on. The best way I thought would work was to combine the gold ribbon with a color ribbon that I'm already using in the space, and to also add another gold decor element sporadically in the color scheme. This way, it will become part of the decor in the space. Now, I'm not sure if you can see the wall sconces that's on each side of the door, but that's where we're going first, and that would give you the first idea that I came up with to use the gold ribbon. So here is this beautiful swag. I do have a video on it. If you're interested, I will link that in the iCard above, but I love the decor elements that I have here in this swag. We have the beautiful silver leaves here on the side, the beautiful trio of colors of black, silver, and chrome, and then the 2 snowflakes in that beautiful glitter. And then we have the combination of the black ribbon and the gold ribbon together as a beautiful adornment. What I've done is I attached the gold ribbon to the black velvet ribbon with source tape, and this would give me the flexibility to do whatever I wanted with this ribbon. I can tie it, I can wrap it, I can do whatever I want because it gives me the freedom of movement here. If I use any other sort of glue like glue stick or something like that, or even hot glue, the hot glue would be too stiff and it wouldn't be able to flex and do these things here that I'm doing with the ribbon right now. So I decided source tape was an excellent idea to use to give me that flexibility. But I love the look of this gold ribbon, and that gold just gave it another beautiful accent. So another area you can use gold ribbon or any ribbon of your choice is on a vase. Here I placed the gold ribbon on this vase as a choker, and it has the snowflake and another black velvet ribbon that's attached to it to give it that more luxurious look. And I like the look here. So this is another way that you can use a ribbon, any color of your wish, in a decor element such as a vase.
While I tell of Yuletide treasure, la 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 la.
So I have one more area that I use gold ribbon, and that's here in this lantern where there is a candle, and I just wrap that same gold ribbon around the candle to give it another beautiful element on the candle, and it also raised the lux factor. I just love the trio of colors, the silver, black, and the gold. It looks so beautiful together. It looks like it actually came that way, and it makes it look so expensive and luxe looking, so I really like that. The next decor element is by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, and it is the deer. I chose these black silhouette deers in the sitting and standing position. These deers are beautiful alone, but I decided to display them on a silver mirror tray. I also gave it a layered look by entering those beautiful pine forest trees that mimics the artwork on the wall. I put one behind and one in the center to give it that beautiful layered look, and then I added some silver berries and greenery to finish it off. This is a gorgeous display for the side table. Okay, so the next decor element are candles, or a candle, and that was chosen by Kim. So I'm going to share with you how I use my candles. The first way I use my candle is on the wall as a candle sconce, and these candle sconce was purchased from Amazon. I can't remember the price, but they were a pair. The candles itself is from Amazon. It's a silver candle. It is 8 inches tall and is battery operated and LED. It looks gorgeous here with everything in the room in silver, black, white, and the gold accents. So another way I use the candle are in the lanterns. So let's take a look at that. Now, of course, this is not a different way to use candles in your lantern. This is basically the basic way, actually, is to put candles in a lantern. This is how I use the actual lantern on the stairs. It starts at the base and then it kind of climbs up toward the stairs. Each of these are those beautiful silver candles. These are another set. They came 3 in a set, and these are also from Amazon. And I love them. I put them on a riser, a black riser, instead of a candle holder because I thought the black riser blends well with the velvet cloth. So that's how I use the candles in the room. The last element are the branches. So let's see how I use those in the room. So the next decor item was chosen by myself, Bree, and they are branches. Now, most of you are familiar with decorating with branches for the holidays, and we normally use them in our floral arrangements or we put them in the tree. And both of those ideas are very beautiful when using branches. But I wanted to think of another way to use branches, and we are going to go ahead and do that. Since we're right here at the staircase, here's one way that I use my branch by capping them off on my garland for the banister. Right here at the bottom, you will see these beautiful branches here. And I use these throughout my home for the holidays. They are gorgeous. They are beaded. Each one of these wires are beaded, and it has an extra little bead here and there on the branches. They are wired, so you can bend them any way you want. They are about maybe 24 inches long, So they're perfect for floor arrangements or putting a tree or what have you. But as you can see here, I did something different. I used them on my banister at the bottom where you see the snowflake. I had decided that this was a perfect place to put some sparkle because we have the snowflake there, and then without that branch, it would kind of flow down inside the cloth here. You will see that the cloth puddles here in front of the banister. So I thought this would be perfect to put a branch, a nice sparkled branch as a cap and to adorn this end of the garland. So another place I put the branches is right at the front of the garland. So we make our way up toward the front of the banister, and you will see another burst of branches here that is gorgeous. Now this garland is only 6 to 8 feet long. I needed a 10-foot long garland to have it puddle. So since I didn't have it, I decided to move the garland down not midway, but a quarter of a way on the banister so it can be able to puddle. But I had that empty space there from the head of the banister to the beginning of the garland, and I thought it needed a beautiful adornment there, something that was large and dramatic. So I put the large snowflake there and some ornaments, but I wanted something that bursts out so it looks like it's a falling star of some sort. And I thought those glistening or sparkling branches did the trick by adding a tail at the end of that decor. So I thought this was just perfect to cap off the beginning of the garland, and as it trails down to the end, you get that other sparkle branch down at the bottom to make it a pair. And I thought this was just gorgeous how this looks. The camera doesn't do any justice, but you can get the idea of if I give you the whole look here of what it actually looks like. Now the other area that I use branches is at the entry table behind me. So let's take a look at that. Now this entry table does have a floor arrangement, and I could have easily put those branches in the floor arrangement, but I didn't do so. But there are some branches in here, which is the snowflake branches, where they're about 24 inches long. But I love these. These are gorgeous, and I thought they were beautiful here inside the floor arrangement. But I still wanted to use the branches in a different way. And what I done was just laid the branches here on top of the table, on top of this velvet cloth. I really think that velvet cloth brings forth that silver glisten, that gorgeousness of how the branches kind of twirl and spreads out, so it gives it a nice background. I think this is a beautiful way that you can use a branch and decorate your entry table very easily by doing this. I put the ornaments at the front, and then had the branch lead from the ornaments and kind of spread out on the cloth. Very easy way to decorate on top of a table or what have you, a smaller table or even a dining table. But this is so simple, very, very economical to do. I think it looks gorgeous here. The branches came from QVC, if I haven't mentioned. They was from Valerie Parhill about a couple of years ago. I'm not sure if they still have it. I didn't see it this year. And when I did go and look for them to buy some more, I think it was sold out. So it's not available to purchase. But they are so, so gorgeous. It came 6 in a box. And like I said, they're about 24 inches tall. So that is the second way I use the branches, and that is it for this video, guys. I hope you got a lot of ideas how you can use basic holiday decor items in a creative way to get another look for your holidays. Don't forget to click the playlist in the description box below and show some love to the ladies by subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice so you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know the ladies have some great ideas and creative ways to share with you for your holiday decorating. Thank you again for joining me. I thank you so, so, so much for your support. Thank you, ladies, for all of your support for this 3rd annual Christmas holiday mix. I appreciate you guys hosting it every year, and I will see you guys next year. Thank you, loves, and have a Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. See you soon. Smooches!